Biryani, a beloved dish in South Asian cuisine, is a symphony of flavors and aromas that dance upon the palate. It is a culinary masterpiece that combines fragrant basmati rice with succulent marinated meat or vegetables, layered and cooked to perfection. The dish is an explosion of tastes and textures, with each bite offering a harmonious blend of spices, saffron, and the richness of slow-cooked ingredients. Biryani transcends cultural boundaries, captivating food enthusiasts worldwide. From the bustling streets of Mumbai to the vibrant restaurants of London, its allure is undeniable. Whether enjoyed as a celebratory feast or a comforting weeknight meal, biryani holds a special place in the hearts and stomachs of many. Its versatility knows no bounds, with countless variations tailored to regional preferences and culinary traditions. In the realm of culinary delights, biryani stands as a testament to the artistry of South Asian cuisine. Its ability to tantalize taste buds and transport diners to a world of flavor is a testament to its enduring popularity. Let us now embark on a culinary journey to unravel the secrets behind this iconic dish. A culinary journey, the history of biryani. The origins of biryani can be traced back to the royal kitchens of the Mughal Empire in medieval India. Legend has it that this regal dish was a favorite among the Mughal emperors, who were renowned for their lavish feasts and culinary extravagance. The intricate layering technique, the aromatic spices, and the use of premium ingredients all point towards its royal lineage. Over the centuries, biryani traveled beyond the palace walls, finding its way into the homes and hearts of people from all walks of life. As it spread throughout the Indian subcontinent, it underwent regional adaptations, resulting in a wide array of biryani styles, each with its unique character and flavor profile. From the fragrant Lucknowi biryani to the fiery Hyderabad biryani, the dish evolved to reflect the culinary heritage of different regions. Today, biryani is a beloved dish enjoyed by millions worldwide. Its journey from the royal kitchens of the Mughal Empire to global tables is a testament to its enduring appeal and culinary significance. In the next section, we will delve into the essential ingredients that give biryani its distinctive flavor and aroma. Gathering the aromatic ingredients. The foundation of a flavorful biryani lies in the careful selection and preparation of its ingredients. The magic begins with fragrant basmati rice, the cornerstone of this iconic dish. Its long, slender grains, known for their delicate aroma and fluffy texture, are essential for achieving the perfect biryani. Next comes the symphony of spices that infuse the dish with its characteristic warmth and depth. Fragrant cardamom pods, with their sweet and slightly camphor-like notes, add a touch of elegance. Cloves, with their intense pungent aroma, lend a warm complexity. Cinnamon sticks, known for their sweet and woody flavor, provide a subtle warmth. And star anise, with its licorice-like flavor, adds a unique dimension to the spice blend. The marinade for the meat or vegetables is equally important, as it infuses the protein with flavor and keeps it succulent during the cooking process. A blend of yogurt, ginger, garlic, and a medley of spices creates a marinade that tenderizes the meat and infuses it with an irresistible aroma. Crafting your biryani masterpiece. Now that we have gathered our aromatic ingredients, let us embark on the art of crafting a biryani masterpiece. The process begins by parboiling the basmati rice until it is partially cooked. This ensures that the rice grains remain separate and fluffy during the layering and steaming process. While the rice is parboiling, we turn our attention to the marinated meat or vegetables. In a large, heavy-bottomed pot, we create layers of flavor, alternating between the partially cooked rice and the succulent meat or vegetable mixture. Each layer is carefully spread to ensure even cooking and a harmonious blend of flavors. To further enhance the aroma and taste, we sprinkle saffron-infused milk or water over the layers, adding a touch of luxury and a beautiful golden hue. The pot is then sealed tightly with a lid, allowing the biryani to steam slowly over low heat. This gentle cooking process ensures that the flavors meld together beautifully, resulting in a dish